Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I will show you how to grab free Canva Pro invite link in 2025 updated version in just a few clicks. First open Google and type SmartBotify. Hit enter. Then click the top result to visit their official site. Once you are on SmartBotify, look for the search box at the top. Type Canva Pro and press enter to see the latest guides. Now open the first blog post from the results. Scroll down a bit until you spot the Get Now button. Go ahead and click It's time to unlock your page access. A 20-second timer will start. Don't worry, just sit back and relax. Once the timer finishes, scroll down again. You will see a updated blog post page link. Click the link and it will redirect to the Pro invite page. Once you are in the page, scroll down a little bit until you spot the Get Now button. Go ahead and click It's time to unlock your access. A 30-second timer will start. Don't worry, just sit back and relax. Once the timer finishes, scroll down again. You will see two options, Canva Pro Link 1 and Canva Pro Link 2. Let's pick Link 1 for now. Clicking Link 1 starts a quick 20-second wait. After it done, hit the Continue button. After clicking Continue, you will land on a page with tiny task to get the Pro invite for free. If an ads pops up, just wait 5 to 10 seconds, then close the ad tab to return to the verification page. Once you're back, wait for timer to 0. Click Verify and Continue. And repeat the steps 2 more times. It's smoother than it sounds, I promise. After the final verification, click the last Get Now button. You will go straight into Canva Pro Access. Enjoy all the premium features, templates, filters, all for free. If you face any issues like this, it's been full of members were joined. Don't worry, just back to the website and continue with the Canva link 2. It will works without like this issue. If any other issues you face, feel free to ask in comments and smash the like button and subscribe for more. Thank you.